Candy Cane Cancel with Expert Village. So in this clip, we're actually going to be making a pattern for our luggage tag. So I'm taking my existing luggage tag and I'm just going to trace around it. Just go ahead and trace around your luggage tag. Okay, and you have like a basic template. So we're going to use this shape and we're actually going to make it bigger. So I'm going to add an inch to the part where my ribbon's going to go. And just going to also make a little mark. Then I'm going to go ahead and mark around ½ inch more, all the way around. And this doesn't have to be exact. You just want to make sure that it's pretty square. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and miter off these corners just to give it a little fun detail. Okay, and once you have that done, you can go ahead and cut out your luggage tag. So once you've cut out your pattern, the next step is to cut out the fabric.